How to develop AutoSum in table. In this tutorial, I would recommend you watching the previous tutorial before getting started. Firstly, if you want to sum the number, you can write down into the table like this, and you can develop responses table. This is previous tutorial. I will rapidly roll down here. And next I wrote some function and look for the serial source number from TS and TY column. In order to easily read the generated comprehensions, I split a bunch of code into the several sections. And I use the transpose and convert that to object format. Finally, we need to sum the numbers what I need. So I will create evaluate that, select the specific column I want to add, as well as the result is always returned to the rows named total. I can add new rows and fill with new number. Now the AutoSum is working. Thanks for watching.